Today, we are exploring Strawberry and Cream by Mith, a playful yet comforting twist on a musky fragrance. It's like Rolling in Love, reimagined with strawberries, softer, smoother, and a little more luminous. Let's begin. Some scents feel like a familiar melody, played with a new note. Strawberry and Cream is exactly that, cozy and recognizable, but lifted by a bright strawberry nuance. It opens with berries dusted in almond sweetness, immediately soft and inviting. Soon a creamy strawberry rises through delicate florals, wrapped in masks that feel tender and airy. Vanilla anchors everything, but the texture stays light, never cloying. The effect is both playful and cocooning, a soft, musky veil touched with strawberry brightness. Strawberry and Cream paints in rose and blush tones. If you're drawn to musky gourmands that stay gentle, smooth, and just a little addictive, Strawberry and Cream might surprise you. Thank you for spending time with me, and see you next time.